that guards my heart, my help in times of need. You are the hope that leads me on and brings me through my needs. For there I find you waiting, and there I find relief. So with all my heart I worship, and unto you I'll sing. For you alone deserve all glory, for you alone deserve all praise. Father, we worship and adore you. Father, we long to see your face, for you alone deserve all glory, for you alone deserve all praise. Father, we love you and we worship you this day. Ikaw ang aking kalungan at kapayapaan. Dulot mo sa tuwing na dugon ko'y pagsamba. Basahin ang lalaho sa ating pagtatagpo. Ang buong puso at buhay sa'yo ialay. Diyos, ikaw nga'y karapat-dapat, pag-alayan ng pagsamba, pagmamahal at pagdakila. Alay sa'yo aming Ama. Diyos, ikaw nga'y karapat-dapat, pag-alayan ng pagsamba. Tanging hangarin na ikaw ay sambahin. Tanging hangarin na ikaw ay sambahin. God bless you.